Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will start a new sum or solve new different sums of surface area volume of cone. So many of you have aware of this particular shape of cone, right? Still I am trying to make more clear it to you. So how it looks like? It looks like this, where a circular part is here and a conical part is also present. Now as it is a three-dimensional shape, if I take the diameter of this particular circle is d, so obviously r will be the radius, h is the height, and this is the slant length L, right? So let us first start to derive the different formulas of different parameters. So slant height, how can we find it? What is slant height? L. Now if you look very closely to this particular conical shape, you will find that it is nothing but a shape of right angle triangle, where L is the hypotenuse, H is the height, and R is the base, right? So we have to find out the L parameter. So it is like that of hypotenuse. What is the formula of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, that means, is equals to root over base square plus height square. So here also the same, L is equals to root over r square plus h square. That's it. Now the curved surface. Only the curved surface we have to consider. No circular part will take into consideration. Then pi r L. Now what is the total surface area? Total surface area means curved part we have to consider, curved area, for that pi r square, and then curved circular part for pi r square, and curved part is pi r L. So if I take common of pi r, it will be r plus L, right? Next is the volume. So volume will be 1/3 pi r square and h. So these are the formulas which we have to remember during different numericals to solve the sums of this particular chapter, right? Now let us start from the first numerical. Now let's start with this first numerical. Let us read first what is given here. The adjoining figure shows the cross section of an ice cream consisting of a cone surrounded by a hemisphere. Okay, so it nothing but looks like a ice cream cone, where the upper hemisphere is nothing but the ice cream, it is the cone. Okay, the radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter and the height of the cone is 1.5 centimeter. So radius is nothing but this part and the height is 10.5 centimeter. The outer shell A, B, E, D, F, E is shaded and not filled with ice cream. Rest part is ice cream. All you know that cones are biscuit like things within which ice cream scoops are given. So within this ice cream cone, it is hollow, but not hollow actually, it is filled with the ice cream. So the dimensions are given AE thickness, that is equals to the DC thickness, and it is 0.5 centimeter, and AB is parallel to EF, is also BC parallel to FD, right. Now we have to calculate the volume of ice cream within this particular ice cream cone and the volume of the outer shell. Okay. So first of all we have to find out the radius of the inner cone. So what is the radius of the inner cone? As given that EFD, that means this inner part, EFD, where EN is equals to AN minus AE. AN is this part, AE is this part. So if we subtract it, we will get the hollow part, which is 3.5 minus 0.5 centimeter. Why 0.5? Because the thickness is given 0.5. So remaining part is this, right. As the radius is 3.5, we am just subtracting it. So we will get 3 centimeter. Now from the geometrical knowledge you can obviously understand that these two are triangles. So what are two triangles? Triangle FEFN and triangle NFD. These two are triangles. These two are triangles, and as it is a cone, obviously from both sides the radius is same, side is common, okay, and it is also 90 degree. So from the axiom, angle axiom of similarity, we can easily say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so as these are congruent, so easily we can say that Fn, what is Fn? This height, by Bn, that means the whole part, is equals to En by An. Okay. Now we don't know about the value of En, so I am putting here Fn, and from An it is, we know that it is Nb is nothing but 10.5. okay, and from En we know that it is 3, and also An. What is An? What is the value of An? It is 3.5. So if we cross multiply it, we will get the value of Fn, which is 3 into 10 to the power 10.5 divided by 3.5, which comes nearly about 9 centimeter. Okay, so height of the inner cone, this means this Fn is 9 centimeter, right. Now it will be very much easy to find out the inner volume. Now the volume of ice cream is equals to the volume of hemisphere plus volume of inner cone Why hemisphere? Because it is also made up of ice cream. When once ice cream scoop is given, you know that these are full of ice cream. So we have to take consideration the volume of the hemisphere, right? So what is it? It will be 2 by 3 pi and it is 3.5, right? So 7 by 2 whole square, whole cube plus 1 by 3 pi this 3 centimeter. So 3 square into r. That means the volume of the inner core 1/3 pi r square h. And volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? 3.5 is diameter, so 3.7 by 2 cube. So what will be it? If I calculate this, it will comes like this. If I take pi as a common, 1/3 of pi, so pi by 3 is equals to 343 by 4 plus 81 centimeter cube, that is equals to 22 by 7 into 1/3 into 667 by 4 centimeter cube, which will nearly comes about 175 centimeter cube. Okay. Now the volume of the ice cream we have find out. Now I have to find out the volume of the biscuit shell. Like second part. Volume of outer shell. What will be that? It will be 1/3 of pi into same 7 by 2 whole square into 21 by 2 minus 1/3 of pi 3 square into 9 centimeter square. How we have find out? Volume of the outer core minus volume of the inner core. Outer core where radius is 3.5, inner core where radius is 3. So as 3.5, so diameter is 7, so half is 3.5, that means 7 by 2, 1/3 pi r square and 21 by 2. That means this slanting length minus 1/3 of the inner core, 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Now if I calculate it, it will become like this: pi by 3 into 1029 by 8 minus 81 centimeter cube, that will come nearly 50 centimeter cube. Okay. I hope this is a little bit tricky and complicated numerical. Still, I hope you have understood it. And tomorrow we will again solve few numericals like this. Actually, this type of questions usually come in board exams, so you may prepare. And if you have doubt related this type of question, you may give me a comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please give a tick on the like button, share and subscribe with your friends to get more such kind of videos in the coming days. Okay, thank you, and we will meet again tomorrow with a new video. Till then, goodbye.